can be any color. You can use eyeshadow or face paint, whatever works. So I'm doing green today, and I'm also going to do blue on the other side just to show different vibrancies. We're going to highlight a little bit of the forehead, the cheekbones, the eyes, and the lips. And we're going to do that with whichever color you want, whether it's rainbow, blue, green. Have fun with it. Pick your child's favorite color. You want them to have fun, stand out, and just look really awesome. After this, we're going to add highlighter. Now, if you don't have a highlighter palette at home, you can use a shiny eyeshadow or shiny face paint. Just go over all the same areas. You want them really shiny. You can now add any type of sequins or googly eyes or gems like I'm doing here. Anything to make them really stand out. You can apply those with eyelash glue. Now you want to add lots of glitter. You want it to be a makeup grade glitter if it's going to be anywhere on or above their eyes. If it's on their cheeks, it's fine. But again, add these with like an eyelash glue, or if it's like a face paint glitter, it'll go straight on. You just want them sparkly and shiny and to look really awesome.